If you're Gen Z, listen up. The old ways of making money are dead. No more waiting for the good job or even having multiple side hustles. In fact, a lot of the Gen Zs who are stressed about money today, they are stressed because they are trying to do so much. They are doing a lot so early. The easiest way to make money in 2026 is not starting a business. It's not crypto. It's not even the loud trends everybody's chasing on social media. You know the one winning quietly. They are playing a different game. So as a finance coach, I work mostly with the older generation, right? But lately, there has been an addition to my line of clients. These are Gen Zs that have money, like good money. It will blow your mind to know the cool ways they are making money. In this video, I will break down the simplest, most realistic way that Gen Zs can make good money in 2026 without burnout or the scamming advice we see here and there. If you're in your late teens or you're in your 20s, this might save you years. If only I have someone share the same blueprint with me when I was younger. Anyway, let's dive in. If you're meeting for the first time, I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, lessons dealer in the Nigerian stock market, but most importantly, your money cheerleader. In this our finance community, we are all about the money, passive income, side hustle, investment, anything that gets us to level up financially. This is where it's happening. And 2026 in particular is definitely going to be our best money year yet. So if you're just meeting us, hit that subscription button right away. Trust me, you're going to love it here. Oh, I have one favor to ask before we continue. If you don't mind, could you please hit that like button? It means so much to me. Thank you so much for liking the video. Let's proceed. First off, before we dive into this new way of making money, let's even talk about the lies that were sold to Gen Zs. Then we walk through the smarter way to make money. That is, it's just one smart way. We'll get to that shortly. So Gen Zs were told to hustle early, do 10 things the same time. If you're not grinding, you are left behind. These are the same things they told millennials like us. And to be fair, these things used to work. And they kind of still work. But why go through the hustle when you can achieve the same or better result a smarter route? Let me tell you the truth that many people don't like to say aloud. Today, money don't just reward effort. Money rewards leverage. Most people learn this in their 30s and 40s when they are already tired. Gen Zs have leverage. Are they even using it? We'll discuss that in this video. Now, let's talk about the easiest way to make money in 2026. What is this way? Build one monetizable skill and one distribution channel. That's it. Not 10 skills. Not 5 businesses, 1 skill, and then 1 place where people can find you. I'm going to unwrap all of this because this is how money compounds without too much stress. So let's discuss the skill stacks. What actually pays in 2026? The easiest way to monetize have 3 things in common. 1, people already pay for them. Like people have their money begging you to come and collect this money. It's not the one you have to flip backward 20 times before you make a sale. No, with these skills, there is a lineup of consumers waiting to pay you for it. 2, they solve real boring problems. I know today everybody is looking for the flashy things. I'm a crypto trader, I'm a forex trader, I'm a, what was it? Affiliate marketing, not all those sexy. Like, but what people's problems are boring and they're looking for solutions for this. But you, my dear, are about to step in and do this. And thirdly, these skills, they don't require any unique talent, just your consistency. One thing I swear by, the consistent person is going to go way further than the talented person. Trust me, if you continue to show up, hey, you are going to be unstoppable. So what are examples of these skills that Gen Zs are cashing out from? Number 1 is AI assistance. I'm not talking about you developing a new AI or building a new AI system, no, but using it to assist others. There are so many people, millennials or older generations, they know that, oh, AI is popping, but they don't know how to use it. Today, we have Gen Zs that have positioned themselves using AI to solve business problems. Back in 2025, I was at an event, it's an award, I was given an award, I think the Lost Award or something. I met this amazing lady, a Gen Z of course. Then she was representing someone receiving the award. We started chatting. This babe is brilliant. What does she do for this business? She, like, you know, when people used to search for you go to Google, you search, and then maybe you're looking for recommendation and all that. But these days, how many people still they even use Google for recommendation? We go to AI sharp. So what she's now doing is that she is making sure that when you ask AI for a problem in that industry, their business pops up. Hey, like when she told me how she does this, it was mind blowing. And she even showed me, okay, I should try. I picked up my phone, I went to ChatGPT and now ask what are the top so and so. The thing popped out their business. I think it's the first and second recommendation that came out. I was mind blown. And she went on to explain how she does that. It's more like her writing articles around that problem, keep mentioning the business over and over, right? She could decide that I don't just want to do this for this business. I want to break out on my own because I also need the same solution. So there are different ways you could leverage AI to solve problems for people and get paid. Number two skill you could leverage is content editing and repurposing. You know how creators or coaches, thought leaders, okay, let's say this is my YouTube videos now. I spend so much time working on these YouTube videos. The same YouTube video, clips of it can turn into TikTok video, can turn into Instagram, can turn into YouTube shows and all that. I do not have the time to sit and be doing this or to start looking for, which punchy set should I extract? This is some people's full-time work. That is a video I did. I think that was a tax video I did. I saw a clip that, okay, this could do well, right? I had to engage my editor to do that. He charged me extra. I'm like, oh my God, just to give me 1 minute video. Some people have mastered this, right? They get the full video, they turn it to even LinkedIn, like written posts, multiple tweets and all that. That could be the niche you come in. Thirdly, there is community management. Everybody is singing community. In fact, they say 2026, the businesses that are going to make it are the ones that have a community built around it. I know how many times people have asked, how do you build a community? Because I have an amazing community. Even this is our YouTube community, right? That we are doing so. People keep asking, how do you do this? How do you do that? I'm not just the only one. I have people I work with. Community management could be the gold for you. There is digital marketing operations, and it's no longer what it used to be before. I mentioned earlier, when back in the days, it's Google, SEO, and all that. These days, people are optimizing for AI, and that could be where you settle in. Again, there is research, there is writing, there is data organizations. These are unique skills you could just take your time, a few months in the year, learn these skills and position. As you can see, none of these are like very trendy or flashy. That is why they work. Now, let's talk about the distribution hack nobody talks about. Because here is where most people fail. They learn the skill, then they disappear. How we want pay you when we are not seeing you? In 2026, distribution is more important than the skill. Yes, don't go and be the best hidden secrets. You don't even need to be the best. Yes, you are going to be efficient, but you need to be visible. You need to be seen. We need to know you. We need to know that you can offer solutions to our problem, hence pay you for it. And one of the biggest ways to do this is through social media. And you already know when it comes to social media, just leave it for Gen Zs. They grew up in the social media era. So this is what they do so well. But why many people are making money from it? The rest are just, just swiping, watching video, ha 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 ha. This is the year that social media is going to make you a lot of money. And one platform is enough. First of all, which platform are you more comfortable with? Is it TikTok? Is it LinkedIn? Is it Twitter? Is it Instagram? You could start with one and build from there. Just pick one of it. Show your process, even while you are still learning. And that is the biggest hack. Even while you are still learning, continue to share with us. Document your journey, your learning process. Let us learn alongside you. And my dear, that is how you get paid even before you are ready. So why do I call this the smarter or the easiest way to make money? As you can see, one, you don't need any capital. No, a lot of, even the skill you want to learn, many of them you can learn free online. This YouTube, you could learn so much from YouTube. So no, you don't need capital. You don't need permission from anybody or go and get a license. At this point, you don't need that. You don't need to quit school. You don't even need to quit your job. It's something you could be doing by the side until it's big enough for you to quit from your job or till you finish school. You just need the system. Learn once, continue to show up, and might then begin to cash out from it. Now, if you're going to jump on this, let me give you the blueprint starting from this January. Month 1 to 2, you learn and share. Like, you dedicate this next 2 months into learning this skill, like in and out. Become an expert in it. That if there is, let's say people are just learning how to use ChatGPT to do something, right? You don't stop at ChatGPT. Look at Cloud, look at Perplexity, look at every other AI that you could still use to solve the same problem. So that when the competition in the market is lined up, this one say, I can use ChatGPT. Hello, I can use ChatGPT. I can use this. I can use that. Stack it up. That is what differentiates you. So the next 2 months is for you to lock in and learn. And remember what we've agreed, that as we are learning, we are sharing. So that even before you are ready, people are already seeing you in that light. From month 3, people will begin to ask for help. Hi, please, how do you do this? Oh, I read this your post. I watched your video on this. How do I do this and do that? You are now a thought leader in that. Yes, you could decide to offer free service at this point, right? So that you could get testimonials, so that you could test proof of concepts. And then let's say from month 4, monetize. My dear, ask for money. You can have a course, you can have even a group webinar, it can be anything, it can be a template, right? This is when you monetize what you've been learning all along. And because you've been sharing with us, at this point, we already know that, oh, you could do this. We already know that you are the expert. In fact, we are not even the ones to tell you to monetize, because by the time we question you plenty times, you just have to go and prepare a product for us. And you could start with small prices, small money. But let's say when you get to like month 6 or something, might they raise your price. People will pay. You've done the work. And that is how suddenly you are not looking for money again. Now money they find, the money is responding to you. So how do we fit all of this into building wealth? Because remember what I told you, 2026 is that 1 year for us. So when it comes to wealth building, that is where a lot of Gen Zs miss it. Oh God. Money made is not wealth. Like, listen very well. The income you make is not wealth. Money invested, that is the real wealth. A lot of Gen Zs today, they are rich, but they don't have potential for wealth. Now, 2026, what are we doing? With the money we are making, we are going to automate your savings. We are going to start investing, and lucky you, you have the advantage of time. Imagine starting to investing now, right? By the time you get to like retirement age, money na water. There is this breakdown I did on Instagram, right? I was like, if you want to retire with 1 billion, how much do you need to save? For those in their 20s, it's just 7,000 invested, I think at 12% or that about every month. Before you retire, you have 1 billion. But for older people, there are some people that need to invest like 500 and something, and some people that need to invest 2 million every month because they started late. But you have the advantage of time. Please milk it. This is the period to start investing. This is the period to build assets. And talking about building assets, investing, the question now will be, what do I invest in? Hello, I got ya. So in our 2026 Money Year workshop, this is like our own town hall meeting of the money community, where we come together to discuss how are we making this money in 2026. In particular, we are going to be looking at best investment options to explore in 2026 that will make you a lot of money. The different ways to make money. I will know we've discussed some in this video, but there are so many other ways people are making money in 2026. And then more than ever, you are in the community, you are in a garden of people thinking the same thing as you, money-minded people. That is the room you want to be. So the workshop is coming up. I'm going to leave the link on the description, or just comment link. I will send you the link to join us. With less than $5 only, you can be in this workshop. Trust me, if 2026 is indeed your money year, you must not miss this workshop. And there you have it, the smart way to make money this year. One skill, one platform, and distribute it like mad. I'm so happy for you that you are watching this kind of video early in the year, because that is what set the tone. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment. And still talking about investment, there are so many videos on this our channel about all of those, how different things to invest in. I'm going to link some of them in the description. Let me see you there.